A technology that leads the environment can lead the future. New generation of sludge processing equipment. A thickener and dewatering machine in a single ST type. The ST type is distinguished from existing types because it is effective in minimizing of sludge treatment system, equipment installation, and maintenance expenses. Furthermore, by reducing the number of civil appeals due to the foul smell produced in the process of sludge treatment at the conventional facility, it can promote a public reputation for your company. Let's look at how our thickener and multiplex plate dewatering machine processes sludge. Sludge is first combined with polyferric sulfate and polymer to form flocks during the concentrating process. The flock is concentrated as residual liquid is separated from the sludge by the residue discharge device. The residual liquid returned to the early treatment plant, and the thickened sludge is brought to the dewatering machine. In the dewatering process, the thickened sludge is sequentially concentrated as it is brought into the dewatering machine by compression and then discharged as a high-density dewatering cake. The excess sludge is mixed with flocculant for thickening by using an agitator. Through this process, the sludge flock becomes harder as it moves up. The residual discharge device is composed of moving discs and fixed discs driven by a scraper. Washers are placed between the discs to ensure regular gaps. This gap is thus formed to discharge residual liquid in the midst of the concentration process. When the scraper rotates, the scraper removes any flock stuck to the surface of the disc and prevents clogging of the gap during moving disc by a scraper. In the dewatering facility, sludge flows constantly through an inlet, driven by a reduced pitch screw, and residual fluid is discharged through a reduced filtration gap. Unlike other screw-equipped dewatering machines, the rod-driven moving rings are located at the gearbox on both sides of the screws, and the ring is fixed to a support beam to maintain the shape of the dewatering machine, and the middle of the washers are laminated. This structure maintains a gap between the exterior of the screws and the interior of the ring, preventing wear and tear on the screws and the ring. Through the left and right rotation of the moving ring, the removal of foreign substances from the gaps can be permanently maintained. We are also introducing improved environmental technology in order to satisfy diverse customer needs. We are developing a piston-type injected chemical dissolver, which improves the conventional problem and a mobile sludge treatment process, which can be easily applied according to size and purpose. An evolution for people, the environment, and technology. By creating advanced technologies, the thickener and multiplex plate dewatering machine endeavors to achieve high performance and high efficiency in the future. Enter the world of magnificent technology now.